Hi everyone, welcome to Placement Grid. Now consider yourself as an IIM student. Not them, more like these guys. Recently graduated and happy, having a decent pay package of 20 to 25 lakh rupees. Whenever your parents will make a Shadi.com profile, they will be like, but coming back to the topic of pay package, a typical tier 1 MBA college package will be around 20 to 25 lakh rupees. There are multiple companies with various profiles who will provide such a compensation. For example, e-commerce firms like Flipkart or general management profile offered by companies like Aditya Birla or Tata or Mahindra, consulting firms like KPMG, Deloitte, PwC, and even FMCG firms like HUL, P&G, etc. They always refer to their salary structure as CTC. So what does it actually mean? CTC or cost to company is the total salary package which is generally mentioned in the offer letter. The CTC will always be more than your in-hand salary. So what we will try to do is break the CTC down to check how much will be your in-hand salary. Consider that this bulb depicts the CTC of 25 lakh rupees. Hold on a second. Isn't Pride Month going on? Yeah, that's better. So now on, we will refer to CTC as package, which is the most common lingo used in various colleges. So now let's break it down. The biggest contributor of your salary will be the combination of basic and HRA and LTA and various other allowances, which is typically in the range of 17 to 19 lakh rupees. The second part will be the performance pay or variable pay. It varies between 2 to 4 lakh rupees and is generally paid at the end of each fiscal or the appraisal cycle. The amount varies from 50% to 150% depending upon your performance as well as company's performance. If you and the company have done well in a cycle, then you can get even 150% of the performance pay. For example, if the performance pay is 3 lakh rupees and you got the top rating as well as the company did well in that cycle, then you can even get 4.5 lakh rupees. Then comes the joining bonus. Most of the companies will pay somewhere around 2 lakh rupees. Note that this is a one-time pay which you will get in the first or the second month of joining. It is not something that you will get each year. So your package in second year will definitely be 2 lakh rupees less. Provident Fund or PF is 12% of your basic pay, which will be around 75,000 per year. There are two parts to it. One is employee contribution and the other one is employer contribution. Whatever the employee is contributing, the same amount will be contributed by the employer as well. So overall PF will be somewhere around 1.5 lakh rupees. Since PF is dependent on the basic pay, more will be your basic, more will be the PF you can contribute. There are certain other benefits which companies provide, for example, food coupons or office travel services or car petrol conveyance. All this will amount to somewhere around 60,000 rupees per year. The last one is gratuity. It is close to 1 lakh rupees per year. Not all companies will have gratuity as part of their offer letter, only bigger firms will. One thing to keep in mind is that you are not eligible for gratuity payment unless you spend around 5 years in a single firm. A lot of people switch before that and lose out on gratuity payment. So this is the overall structure of your pay package. Now let's remove the components to figure out how much will be your in-hand salary. Removing gratuity, other benefits, both the PF contributions, joining bonus, now the package is around 21 lakh rupees. Now considering a variable pay of 3 lakh rupees, the package will be reduced to 18 lakhs. If you think this 18 lakh is what you will get in hand, I'm so sorry to break it down for you, but there's a big chunk that we still have not removed. The income tax. Based on the current income tax slab, one will have to pay around 4 lakh rupees income tax, even after doing all the ATC savings, reducing your in-hand salary to 14 lakh rupees. That means the government is definitely getting a good ROI by subsidizing fees of educational institutions in India. To figure out what your monthly salary will be, just divide this by 12, bringing the figure to somewhere around 1,20,000 per month. Since this exercise was based on a 25 lakh rupees package, the monthly salary of 20 to 25 lakh packages will vary between 90,000 to 1,20,000. This is typical of an IIM or any other tier 1B school, but still it is good enough to quote on jeevansathi.com. So there you go. That's all we had for this video. If you want us to make more informative videos, let us know the topic in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to Placement Grid. You can also follow us on our Instagram page. Cheers.